So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing 2048 Blast here on Swagbucks. So once the Swagbucks app is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on the game's icon, and then press on Get Started. It'll then redirect you to this game screen right here, where if you were to go ahead to most popular right here, if you were to scroll down, you might actually see 2048 for example here. But if you don't see it, which I don't right now, not a problem, go to where it says sort right here. I want you guys to go to where it says A to Z. Now, if I were to scroll down right here, just keep going a little bit more, 2048 Blast right here, merge numbers, go ahead and earn 252 swag bucks. If I were to go ahead and press on this right here, if you can download the app by pressing on Get Now and simply go ahead and reach step 25, for example, in 30 days, you can earn yourself 252 swag bucks. And if you get more goals and more opportunities and earn more swag bucks, you can then cash that in over time if you have enough for gift cards and real money. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to make real money by playing 2048 Blast on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.